The vast expanse of space, with its infinite beauty and mystery, is as hostile as it is awe-inspiring. To survive in such an environment requires not only technology, but a profound understanding of the delicate balance between life and the cosmos, a balance that our Earth has nurtured for billions of years. Life, as we know it, is a phenomenon born from the gentle embrace of Earth's atmosphere, the nurturing warmth of the sun, and the protective shield of our magnetic field. In the void of space, these comforts vanish. There is no oxygen to breathe, no pressure to hold our bodies intact, and no shielding from the relentless radiation of distant stars. To venture into space is to strip life to its barest essentials, to rely entirely on our ingenuity to recreate what nature has provided us so effortlessly. The first and most fundamental requirement for survival in space is oxygen. Our spacecraft and suits act as artificial cocoons, maintaining an atmosphere akin to Earth's. Each breath we take in space reminds us of the invisible envelope that sustains life back home, an envelope we must replicate with precision and care. Without Earth's magnetic field, we are exposed to the harsh radiation of the sun and the cosmic rays that traverse the universe. The metal hulls of spacecraft, specialized shielding, and carefully planned missions protect us from these invisible dangers. Yet, every moment in space reminds us of the thin line separating safety from peril. In the vacuum of space, where temperatures swing from searing heat to freezing cold, our survival depends on technology that can maintain a stable environment. Space suits, engineered to perfection, insulate us from these extremes, a testament to humanity's ability to mimic the steady conditions our Earth provides so effortlessly. Space travelers carry their sustenance in carefully designed packages, their water recycled in closed-loop systems. Each drop of water and every morsel of food is a reminder of Earth's abundant generosity, a gift that is impossible to replicate in the void. Beyond the physical necessities, survival in space demands an unyielding spirit. To endure the isolation, the vast emptiness, and the stark realization of our cosmic insignificance requires not just training, but a deep connection to the purpose that drives our exploration. To survive in space is not merely to exist, but to embrace our place in the cosmos. We are travelers in an infinite sea, carrying the light of human curiosity into the darkness. Every breath, every heartbeat in space is a triumph, a testament to the audacity of life itself. Space challenges us to rise beyond our limitations, to engineer solutions to problems that were once unimaginable. But it also humbles us, reminding us of the delicate interconnections that sustain life on Earth. As we venture farther into the cosmos, we carry not only our hopes and dreams, but the profound responsibility to protect the planet that made us. Surviving in space is an extraordinary feat of science and human will. It is a dance between fragility and resilience, a celebration of our ingenuity and our capacity for wonder. In the words of Carl Sagan, we are but a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam, yet we dare to reach for the stars. To survive in space is to honor the delicate miracle of life and to ensure that the spark of humanity continues to shine, even in the infinite void. Survival in space is a paradox, an interplay of fragility and resilience. On the one hand, the human body, evolved over millennia to thrive in Earth's gentle conditions, is ill-suited for the vacuum of space. The absence of gravity weakens our bones and muscles, while prolonged exposure to radiation alters our very DNA. Yet, on the other hand, the human spirit, curious, inventive, and relentless, has proven capable of transcending these limitations. In our spacecraft, we simulate gravity with centrifugal force, counteract muscle atrophy with rigorous exercise, and shield ourselves from radiation with innovative materials. These are not merely technological triumphs, but reflections of our intrinsic resilience, our refusal to accept that space is beyond our reach. Each step in this journey is a testament to the human capacity to adapt and endure. Space survival also transforms our perspective. When astronauts look out from the confines of their spacecraft, they see Earth not as a vast and boundless home, but as a delicate oasis, floating alone in the infinite darkness. This perspective, often called the overview effect, profoundly changes how we understand our planet and our place in the universe. To survive in space, we are forced to recreate, on a minuscule scale, the intricate systems that sustain life on Earth. Breathable air, clean water, nourishing food. These essentials, so abundant and self-renewing on our home planet, become precious and finite in space. This contrast reminds us of Earth's uniqueness and the responsibility we bear to cherish and protect it. Survival in space is not just about perseverance. It is about progress. The challenges of living in the vacuum are stepping stones to something greater, a future where humanity becomes a multiplanetary species. Each mission, each discovery, each innovation brings us closer to this vision. Imagine a future where humans establish thriving colonies on the Moon or Mars, where we mine asteroids for resources, and where the boundaries of our species are no longer defined by a single planet. These dreams are no longer confined to science fiction. They are the logical continuation of our instinct to explore and expand. Space survival is the first chapter in this story, a story of resilience, ingenuity, and hope. In striving to survive in space, we create a legacy not just for our generation, but for countless generations to come. The knowledge gained, the technologies developed, and the spirit of exploration fostered by these endeavors ripple through time, shaping the destiny of our species. Carl Sagan once wrote that the cosmos is within us. We are made of star stuff. To survive in space is to reconnect with this truth, to remember that we are not separate from the universe, but a part of it. By pushing the boundaries of what is possible, we honor our origins and secure our future among the stars. Space survival is a reflection of humanity's greatest qualities: our curiosity, our adaptability, and our unyielding desire to know more. It is a journey fraught with peril, but filled with wonder. It is not merely about enduring. It is about thriving, about understanding, and about growing. As we take our first steps beyond Earth, let us carry with us the wisdom of our planet and the humility of the stars. Let us be reminded of the fragility of life and the resilience of the human spirit. And let us ensure that our journey into the cosmos is not one of conquest, but of curiosity, care, and celebration. For in the act of surviving in space, we are not only exploring the universe, we are discovering ourselves. Surviving in space is not an individual endeavor. It is the collective achievement of humanity. It requires the collaboration of scientists, engineers, visionaries, and explorers from every corner of the globe. The challenges of space are universal, transcending borders, ideologies, and divisions. In the face of such an immense undertaking, we are reminded of our shared existence and the strength we derive from unity. Space exploration, and the survival it demands, fosters a spirit of cooperation that mirrors the interconnected systems that sustain life on Earth. Just as the survival of a single astronaut depends on the harmony of technology, biology, and physics, the survival of humanity relies on the harmony of our collective efforts. In this way, space survival teaches us not only about endurance, but about the power of working together for a common purpose. With each step into space, we carry with us the weight of responsibility. The cosmos, vast and indifferent, presents us with boundless opportunities, but also profound ethical dilemmas. How do we ensure that our presence in space is one of preservation and respect, rather than exploitation and destruction? How do we balance our pursuit of knowledge and resources with our duty to protect the environments we encounter? Survival in space forces us to confront these questions head-on. It is not enough to thrive. We must thrive ethically. As we extend our reach to the Moon, Mars, and beyond, we must cultivate a sense of stewardship for the new worlds we touch. Let our legacy in space be one of care, curiosity, and consciousness, a reflection of the best of humanity. In the grand scale of the universe, our individual lives may seem fleeting, our achievements small. Yet, it is this very perspective that gives our endeavors meaning. To survive in space is to defy the odds, to challenge the inherent fragility of life, and transform it into a force of resilience. It is a reminder that, though we are but a tiny part of the cosmos, our ability to dream, create, and explore is limitless. As Carl Sagan eloquently stated, we are the custodians of life's meaning. Space survival is an extension of this custodianship, a recognition that the act of enduring is not merely about survival for survival's sake. It is about carrying forward the spark of life, the flame of curiosity, and the light of understanding into the darkest corners of the universe. The journey to survive in space is ultimately a journey toward our potential. It is a testament to what we can achieve when we dream beyond the confines of our current reality. It is a declaration that, while Earth is our cradle, it need not be our cage. In the centuries to come, humanity may spread across the solar system, inhabiting planets, moons, and even the vast spaces in between. We will carry with us the lessons learned from the first brave souls who dared to survive in the void. These pioneers, through their courage and ingenuity, lay the foundation for a future in which humanity is no longer bound to a single world. To survive in space is to embrace the unknown with open arms. It is to face the challenges of the cosmos, not with fear, but with wonder. It is a journey that requires both humility and ambition, an acknowledgement of our smallness in the face of the universe and our capacity to reach beyond it. The stars call to us, not because they promise comfort, but because they ignite our curiosity. They remind us that survival is only the first step in the great adventure of existence. Beyond survival lies understanding, connection, and the realization that, in exploring the universe, we are discovering the infinite potential within ourselves. And so, as we look to the heavens, let us do so with a sense of hope and responsibility. For to survive in space is to affirm the beauty and tenacity of life itself, and to take our place among the stars. Space survival, at its core, is a poetic endeavor. It is the marriage of science and wonder, of engineering and imagination. It is the act of taking the improbable and making it possible. The cosmos, with its infinite expanse, has no inherent obligation to sustain life. Yet here we are, daring to thrive where life was never intended. This poetry is written in every breath taken aboard a spacecraft, in every heartbeat sustained within a fragile spacesuit. It is written in the quiet resilience of our technologies and the bold aspirations of our explorers. Surviving in space is not merely a triumph of engineering. It is a celebration of humanity's relentless creativity, our refusal to accept boundaries as immutable. Survival in the cosmos offers lessons that extend far beyond the vacuum. In the pursuit of space survival, we are reminded of the fragility of our own existence on Earth. Every challenge we solve in orbit or on distant worlds mirrors the challenges we face at home. Sustaining life, managing resources, and coexisting harmoniously with the environment. For instance, closed-loop life support systems developed for spacecraft, where water, air, and waste are recycled with precision, teach us about sustainable living. The ability to survive on the barren surface of Mars underscores the importance of protecting our fertile Earth. The cooperation required for international space missions serves as a model for how nations can work together to confront global challenges. Space survival does not isolate us from our origins. It reconnects us to the intricate systems that sustain us, urging us to apply the same care and ingenuity to our home planet. In the silent vastness of space, questions of meaning take on a profound weight. Why do we strive to survive in such an unforgiving environment? Why do we reach for the stars when the challenges are so immense? The answers lie not in the stars themselves, but in the journey to them. Surviving in space is, in essence, an act of hope. It is a declaration that life, in all its fragility, is worth preserving and expanding. It is an acknowledgement that the human spirit is defined not by complacency, but by its yearning to grow, to understand, and to transcend. Carl Sagan often spoke of the pale blue, the tiny speck of Earth seen from the vastness of space, and how it underscores both our insignificance and our significance. To survive in space is to honor that paradox, to recognize the smallness of our planet, and yet to celebrate the immensity of what we are capable of achieving as its stewards. The survival of humanity in space is not an endpoint. It is a beginning. It is the foundation upon which we will build interstellar exploration, the colonization of new worlds, and perhaps one day, the discovery of other forms of life. Each step we take, whether setting foot on the moon, navigating the icy plains of Europa, or sending probes into interstellar space, is part of a larger story, the story of life reaching beyond its birthplace. In this story, survival is the prologue, but thriving is the narrative. It is not enough to simply endure the vacuum of space. We must learn to flourish within it, to build new homes, forge new cultures, and carry forward the legacy of Earth into the vast unknown. As we reflect on what it takes to survive in space, let us also reflect on what it means to dream. Space survival is not solely the domain of astronauts and scientists. It is an invitation to every person to imagine, to innovate, and to contribute. The journey to the stars belongs to all of us, and its success depends on our collective vision. Let us dream of a future where the night sky is not just a canvas for stargazing, but a roadmap for exploration. Let us dream of a humanity that thrives not only on Earth, but across the cosmos. To survive in space is to embrace the infinite. It is to acknowledge the challenges, accept the risks, and pursue the rewards with unwavering determination. It is to celebrate the resilience of life and the boundless potential of the human spirit. As we stand at the threshold of this great adventure, let us remember the words of Carl Sagan. Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. In the pursuit of space survival, we are not just seeking to endure. We are seeking to discover, and in that discovery, to find the very essence of who we are. As humanity prepares for its journey deeper into the cosmos, the question is no longer if we will survive in space, but how. How will we adapt to the endless challenges? How will we sustain life beyond the cradle of Earth? And most importantly, how will we carry the lessons of our shared existence into the stars? Space survival is not a solitary act. It is a collective endeavor. The technologies we develop, the strategies we refine, and the stories we tell are all woven together into a tapestry of resilience and exploration. Each step forward is a testament to the strength of human curiosity and cooperation. But the path ahead is not without its uncertainties. The cosmos is vast and indifferent, presenting dangers we cannot yet foresee. To overcome these challenges, we must remain steadfast in our commitment to innovation, ethics, and unity. As we venture into space, we must confront the ethical dimensions of our journey. The moons of Jupiter, the icy plains of Mars, and the distant exoplanets we hope to explore are not merely resources to be exploited. They are ancient worlds with histories of their own. Our survival in space must coexist with a respect for these celestial neighbors. The same principles that guide our stewardship of Earth, preservation, sustainability, and reverence for life, must inform our approach to the cosmos. Let us tread lightly, not as conquerors, but as caretakers, ensuring that our presence enriches rather than diminishes the universe around us. The challenges of surviving in space teach us valuable lessons about our existence on Earth. The systems we build to recycle air, water, and waste in space stations mirror the closed-loop systems of our planet's ecosystems. The innovations required to grow food in the barren soil of Mars inspire us to rethink agriculture on our own planet. The interconnectedness of life in space reminds us of the delicate balance that sustains all living things. Space survival, in this sense, is not just a means of escaping Earth's limitations. It is a way to better understand and protect the world we call home. The technologies and philosophies we develop for life among the stars may hold the key to addressing Earth's greatest challenges, from climate change to resource scarcity. When we think of space survival, it is easy to focus on the immediate: oxygen, water, food, and shelter. But the greater promise of surviving in space lies in what comes next. With each successful mission, we expand the boundaries of human potential. We transform the impossible into the achievable, and the unknown into the understood. Imagine a future where human settlements thrive on the moon, where robotic explorers unravel the mysteries of Titan's methane seas, and where interstellar probes carry our message of existence to distant civilizations. Each of these possibilities begins with survival, with the determination to endure and the vision to thrive. Surviving in space is not just a scientific achievement. It is a cultural one. It is a story we will tell for generations. A story of how humanity looked to the stars and refused to turn away. It is a story of how we faced the challenges of the cosmos and emerged stronger, wiser, and more united. This legacy belongs to all of us. Whether we are astronauts aboard the International Space Station, engineers designing the next generation of spacecraft, or dreamers gazing up at the night sky, we are all participants in this grand endeavor. The survival of humanity in space is a testament to the collective spirit of exploration that defines us as a species. The cosmos is boundless, and so is our potential. To survive in space is to accept the infinite horizon of what lies ahead. It is to recognize that each challenge is an opportunity, each setback a lesson, and each success a stepping stone to the stars. As we continue this journey, let us carry with us the wisdom of Earth, the resilience of life, and the boundless curiosity that drives us forward. Let us remember that our survival is not the end of the story. It is the beginning of something far greater. For in the act of surviving in space, we are not just preserving life. We are embracing the infinite possibilities of existence. We are reaching beyond the limits of what we know, daring to dream of a future that extends far beyond our planet, and becoming, at last, citizens of the cosmos. To survive in space is to take the first steps toward an extraordinary transformation. It is to redefine what it means to be human, not as beings bound to a single planet, but as stewards of life capable of thriving across the universe. This transition requires more than technology or engineering. It demands a shift in perspective, a recognition that we are part of something vast, interconnected, and profoundly meaningful. The stars, long symbols of mystery and inspiration, become destinations. Planets once visible only through telescopes are now the subjects of blueprints, strategies, and dreams. In learning to survive beyond Earth, we do not escape our home. We honor it, bringing its lessons, its beauty, and its spirit to new frontiers. Life on Earth is a masterpiece woven from billions of years of evolution. From the simplest microorganisms to the complex societies of humanity, it is a tapestry of resilience, adaptability, and interconnectedness. When we venture into space, we carry threads of this tapestry with us, creating the foundation for new chapters in the story of life. Imagine ecosystems built in the void, biodomes on Mars brimming with adapted Earth species, lunar farms sustaining settlers under a silver sky, or space stations orbiting distant planets filled with diverse forms of life. These are not just dreams of survival. They are visions of flourishing, of extending Earth's incredible biodiversity into environments where life has never existed. But this extension of life requires responsibility. Each step into the cosmos must be guided by care. Care for the ecosystems we create, for the planets we explore, and for the balance of life we seek to preserve. Becoming citizens of the cosmos will not be easy. Space is an environment of extremes. Temperature, radiation, gravity, and isolation all pose significant challenges. Yet, humanity has always risen to meet the seemingly insurmountable. Adapting to multiplanetary life will require advances in biotechnology, artificial intelligence, and materials science. We will need to grow crops in regolith, engineer habitats that protect against radiation, and develop self-sustaining systems capable of supporting generations far from Earth. These challenges, though daunting, are also opportunities to redefine what is possible. And as we overcome these obstacles, we will learn more about ourselves, about our capacity for ingenuity, our resilience in the face of adversity, and our ability to build a future that honors the past while embracing the unknown. With great exploration comes great responsibility. In venturing into the cosmos, we must ensure that our actions do not harm the environments we encounter or the potential life forms that may exist. Each decision we make, where to land, how to extract resources, how to settle, must be guided by an ethical framework that respects the sanctity of the universe. This responsibility also extends to Earth. As we become a multiplanetary species, we must not abandon our home. The knowledge we gain from space exploration must be used to heal and protect our planet, to ensure that its beauty and vitality are preserved for future generations. Ultimately, the journey to survive in space is a reflection of the human spirit. It is an expression of our boundless curiosity, our relentless drive to explore, and our deep-seated hope for the future. It is a journey that connects us to the explorers who first crossed oceans, who first climbed mountains, who first looked up at the stars and wondered what lay beyond. As we move forward, let us carry this spirit with us. Let it guide our actions, inspire our innovations, and unite us in our shared mission. Let it remind us that survival is not just about enduring. It is about thriving, creating, and reaching for something greater. The cosmos stretches endlessly before us, filled with mysteries waiting to be uncovered and horizons waiting to be crossed. To survive in space is to embrace this endless adventure, to step into the unknown with courage and curiosity, and to write a new chapter in the story of life. We are, as Carl Sagan so eloquently put it, a way for the universe to know itself. In surviving the challenges of space, we fulfill this role, becoming both observers and participants in the grand drama of existence. And in doing so, we ensure that the light of humanity continues to shine, against all odds, across all distances, and for all time. Surviving in space is more than a technical feat. It is a testament to humanity's indomitable will to persevere, to reach beyond the horizon, and to seek meaning in the infinite. The act of venturing into the cosmos is, at its heart, a flame that burns within us, a fire of curiosity, creativity, and courage that refuses to be extinguished. This flame, nurtured by generations of dreamers and doers, has brought us to this moment. From the first spark of understanding when ancient humans mapped the stars, to the launch of satellites and the landing of rovers on distant worlds, it has been our constant guide. As we prepare for the next chapter in our cosmic journey, this flame will illuminate the path ahead, ensuring that our aspirations remain as boundless as the universe itself. The dream of surviving in space is inseparable from the vision of building a cosmic civilization, a society that thrives across worlds, not limited by the confines of a single planet. This vision is not just about technology or survival. It is about culture, identity, and the ways in which humanity will evolve as it ventures farther into the cosmos. What will it mean to be human on Mars, on Europa, or aboard an interstellar arc traveling to distant stars? How will our societies adapt to the unique challenges of each environment? And how will our values and beliefs evolve in response? These questions, though speculative, are central to the endeavor of surviving in space. A cosmic civilization must balance the pursuit of expansion with the preservation of humanity's core principles: compassion, curiosity, and cooperation. It must embrace diversity, drawing strength from the myriad perspectives and talents that define us. It must recognize the interconnectedness of life, understanding that our survival depends not only on technology, but on the relationships we forge with one another and with the universe. Even as we look outward, the lessons of space survival offer profound insights for life on Earth. The systems we develop to sustain astronauts, closed-loop recycling, energy efficiency, and self-sufficient ecosystems are models for sustainable living on our own planet. The resilience required to survive in space mirrors the resilience needed to address the challenges of climate change, resource scarcity, and global inequity. Space survival teaches us to value the essentials of life: clean air, pure water, nourishing food, and a sense of purpose. It reminds us that these gifts, so abundant on Earth, are fragile and finite. By striving to recreate Earth's balance in the harshness of space, we gain a deeper appreciation for the beauty and interconnectedness of our home planet. The cosmos is not merely a backdrop to human existence. It is our destiny. To survive in space is to fulfill an ancient yearning, to connect with the stars, to explore the unknown, and to leave our mark on the universe. This journey is not just for scientists, astronauts, or engineers. It is for all of humanity. It is a collective endeavor, a shared dream, and a reflection of our highest aspirations. As we chart this path, let us remember that the act of surviving in space is not an end in itself, but a beginning. It is the foundation upon which we will build new worlds, forge new cultures, and uncover the mysteries of existence. It is a reminder that, while we are small in the grand scale of the universe, our potential is infinite. The challenges of space survival are immense, but so too are the rewards. The journey to the stars demands our best, our ingenuity, our perseverance, and our willingness to work together. It calls on us to think boldly, act responsibly, and dream without limits. As we stand on the threshold of the cosmos, let us embrace this call to action. Let us carry forward the legacy of those who dared to dream of the stars. In the vast expanse of space, the horizon is always just out of reach, always inviting us to take one more step. To survive in space is to accept this challenge, to push beyond what we know, to explore what lies ahead, and to ensure that life continues to flourish. Let us move forward with hope and determination, guided by the light of knowledge and the strength of unity. For in surviving in space, we are not just securing our future, we are shaping the destiny of life itself, ensuring that the story of humanity continues to unfold among the stars. The journey to survive in space is a chapter in a story that began long before us and will continue long after. It is the story of life's unyielding drive to persist, adapt, and thrive. From the first microbes clinging to the primordial earth to the humans daring to step beyond it, this story is one of triumph over adversity and discovery of the unknown. In space, every heartbeat is an affirmation of this story, every breath a testament to the determination of life. The challenges we face, the solutions we create, and the risks we embrace all serve as reminders that our existence is a thread in the cosmic tapestry, a thread that strengthens with each step we take into the unknown. The survival of humanity in space is not a mission for one generation alone. It is a relay, with each generation carrying the torch of exploration and innovation, passing it to the next. The decisions we make today about technology, ethics, and stewardship will shape the experiences of those who come after us. Future generations will not only inherit the tools and knowledge we create, but will also redefine what it means to live among the stars. They will build homes on Mars, navigate the icy oceans of Europa, and perhaps even voyage to other star systems. Their lives will be shaped by the legacy we leave, and their achievements will, in turn, inspire the generations that follow. Survival is the foundation, but thriving is the goal. To thrive in space is to go beyond merely enduring, to create vibrant communities, to foster creativity and innovation, and to expand our understanding of the universe. It is to take the essence of what makes Earth so extraordinary and replicate it in the vast emptiness of space. Imagine the cultures that will emerge as humans adapt to new worlds. Imagine the art, music, and stories inspired by the landscapes of Mars or the distant views of Earth from the Moon. Imagine the science born from studying alien ecosystems or the engineering breakthroughs required to build cities among the stars. Thriving in space is not just about surviving. It is about flourishing, evolving, and finding new ways to express the richness of human potential. As we venture into space, we carry with us the legacy of Earth, a planet that has nurtured life for billions of years, a home that has shaped who we are. Every step we take into the cosmos is an opportunity to honor this legacy, to preserve the knowledge and wisdom of our past, and to ensure that life continues to thrive in all its diversity. We are, in a sense, ambassadors of Earth, carrying its light into the vast darkness. Whether we are planting the first seeds on another planet or transmitting messages into the depths of the universe, we represent not just ourselves, but the entirety of life on Earth. This responsibility is both humbling and inspiring, a reminder of the preciousness of our home and the importance of safeguarding it. Space survival is not only about challenges. It is also about promises, the promise of discovery, of connection, of growth. It is about unlocking the mysteries of the universe, from the origins of life to the nature of distant galaxies. It is about finding new ways to connect with one another and with the cosmos itself. This promise extends beyond humanity. By surviving and thriving in space, we ensure that the story of life continues, that its spark is not confined to a single planet but spreads across the universe. In doing so, we honor the resilience of life and the boundless possibilities of existence. The journey to survive in space is a new dawn for humanity. It is a moment of transformation, a shift from being bound to a single world to becoming a species that embraces the infinite. It is a reminder that the universe, vast and indifferent, is also full of opportunity. Opportunities we must seize with courage, ingenuity, and hope. As we look to the stars, let us carry forward the lessons of our past, the strengths of our present, and the dreams of our future. Let us ensure that the light of humanity shines brightly, not just on Earth, but across the cosmos, illuminating the darkness with the promise of life. For in surviving in space, we are not only enduring, we are creating, discovering, and becoming something greater than we ever imagined. The stars are not just our destination, they are our destiny. And in reaching for them, we fulfill the deepest aspirations of life itself. In the act of venturing into space, we encounter a profound mirror. The vast emptiness, the distant stars, the fragile view of Earth hanging in the void. These are not just external phenomena. They reflect back to us who we are, what we value, and what we strive to become. Space, in its silence and indifference, forces us to ask questions that we might otherwise ignore. What does it mean to be alive? What does it mean to be human? And what responsibility do we bear as the first species on Earth capable of looking back at itself from beyond the atmosphere? The journey to survive in space is not just a technical challenge, but a philosophical one. It forces us to confront the duality of our nature, Our capacity for destruction and creation, our tendency toward conflict and cooperation, are moments of smallness and greatness. To survive among the stars, we must transcend the limitations of our past and embrace the best of what humanity can be. As we step into the cosmos, we are reminded that we are not just explorers of distant places. We are explorers of possibilities. What if life exists elsewhere, waiting to be discovered? What if the universe is filled with civilizations at different stages of development, each facing challenges like our own? What if the answers to humanity's greatest questions lie not on Earth, but in the stars? These possibilities drive us forward, igniting our curiosity and inspiring our imagination. Every new mission, every piece of data, every glimpse of an alien world brings us closer to understanding the universe and our place within it. Perhaps one day, we will find life beyond Earth, not as a rival, but as a companion in the vast cosmic story. And perhaps in that moment, we will see ourselves more clearly, understanding that survival is not just about endurance, but about connection, growth, and the shared pursuit of meaning. In the endless expanse of space, time takes on a different quality. The stars we see at night are echoes of the past, their light traveling for millennia before reaching our eyes. The planets we explore hold records of epochs long gone, their surfaces shaped by forces that predate humanity's existence. And the universe itself stretches forward into a future so vast that our lifetimes seem fleeting by comparison. Yet, in this immensity, there is a whisper of eternity, a reminder that while our lives may be brief, our actions can resonate far beyond our time. To survive in space is to leave a legacy, to plant seeds of possibility that future generations may harvest. It is to participate in something larger than ourselves, a story that began with the birth of the cosmos and continues with each step we take into its depths. The journey into space brings us to the edge of the known, a place where the familiar gives way to the mysterious. Here, our tools of science and reason meet the vastness of the unknown, and we are reminded that there is always more to learn, more to discover, more to imagine. This edge is not a boundary, but an invitation. It calls us to push beyond what we know, to question our assumptions, and to expand our understanding. It is at this edge that humanity grows, not just in knowledge, but in wisdom. For every answer we find opens new questions, and every discovery reveals deeper mysteries. Surviving in space is more than an achievement. It is a transition. It marks the moment when humanity moves from being a planetary species to becoming a cosmic one. This transition is not merely physical. It is cultural, ethical, and existential. It challenges us to rethink what it means to belong, to connect, and to thrive. Imagine a future where humanity exists across worlds, where the cultures of Mars, Europa, and Earth are distinct yet interconnected. Imagine a civilization that values exploration not as a means of conquest, but as an expression of curiosity and creativity. The stars have always inspired us, and they continue to do so as we step into their domain. But their greatest gift is not their beauty or their mystery. It is the sense of wonder they awaken within us. This wonder is a reminder of what it means to be alive, to be part of a universe so vast and extraordinary that it defies comprehension. As we survive in space, let us carry this wonder with us. Let it guide our actions, inspire our dreams, and remind us of the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. For in the end, surviving in space is not just about continuing life. It is about elevating it, about reaching for the stars and discovering that the journey itself is the greatest adventure of all. As we press deeper into the cosmos, we come to realize an astonishing truth. The universe we explore is not separate from us. It is within us. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the hearts of ancient stars, scattered across the galaxy in supernova explosions, and eventually coalesced to form the Earth, and us. This connection to the cosmos is not merely poetic, it is profoundly literal. In every sense, we are made of star stuff. This realization transforms space exploration from an act of reaching outward to one of looking inward. As we survive in space, as we grapple with its challenges and mysteries, we are also learning about ourselves. The universe becomes a mirror reflecting our origins, our nature, and our potential. In its vastness, we find perspective. In its beauty, we find inspiration. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, life is a rarity, a precious anomaly amid a sea of unfeeling matter. As far as we know, Earth is the only place where life has taken root and flourished. This makes our survival in space not just a journey of curiosity, but a mission of guardianship. We are the stewards of Earth's legacy, entrusted with the responsibility to protect and perpetuate life. Every step we take into the universe, every challenge we overcome, carries with it this profound duty. It is not enough to ensure humanity's survival. We must also safeguard the spark of life itself, preserving its diversity, beauty, and potential. Imagine a future where seeds from Earth are planted in the soil of another planet, where ecosystems are cultivated in the void, and where life once confined to a single world becomes a thriving presence among the stars. This is the promise of our journey, a promise not just to ourselves, but to life in all its forms. Surviving in space also forces us to rethink the boundaries that define us. In the vastness of the cosmos, the divisions we create, nations, cultures, ideologies, seem small and arbitrary. The challenges of space demand unity, cooperation, and a shared vision. They remind us that we are all passengers on the same fragile vessel, adrift in an infinite sea. This perspective is not just practical, it is transformative. It calls us to bridge the gaps between us, to find common ground, and to build a future that reflects our shared humanity. Space survival is not just a technical challenge. It is a call to unity, a reminder that together we are capable of extraordinary things. Even as we make progress, the universe remains full of mysteries. What lies beyond our solar system? Are we alone, or are there other civilizations waiting to be discovered? What is the ultimate fate of the cosmos? These questions, as vast as the stars themselves, fuel our imagination and drive our exploration. Surviving in space is the first step toward answering these questions. It is the foundation upon which we build the tools, technologies, and knowledge needed to unlock the universe's secrets. But these answers will not come easily. They will require perseverance, ingenuity, and an unwavering belief in the value of discovery. As we venture into the cosmos, we are writing the next chapter in the story of life. This is a story that began in the depths of Earth's oceans, unfolded across its continents, and now extends into the stars. It is a story of resilience, adaptability, and wonder, a story that is uniquely human, yet universally shared. What will this legacy be? Will we be remembered as the species that reached for the stars, not for conquest, but for understanding? Will we leave behind a trail of worlds enriched by our presence, or scarred by our mistakes? The choices we make today will shape the answers to these questions. The cosmos is not a place of endings. It is a realm of beginnings. Every star, every planet, every distant galaxy is an invitation to explore, to learn, and to grow. As we continue this journey, let us remember what drives us. The curiosity that compels us to ask questions, the creativity that helps us find answers, and the courage that allows us to face the unknown. Let us carry forward the best of humanity, ensuring that our presence among the stars reflects the beauty, resilience, and hope that define us. For in the vastness of space, we find not just a destination, but a purpose, a reminder that our journey is not about escaping the Earth, but about fulfilling the potential of life itself. The universe awaits, and the story is ours to write. In space, there's no atmosphere, so you need a spacesuit too. Provide oxygen for breathing. Maintain pressure to prevent your body fluids from boiling due to low pressure. Protect you from extreme temperatures, ranging from minus 250 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 157 degrees Celsius in the shade, to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 121 degrees Celsius in direct sunlight. Shield against harmful radiation and micrometeoroids. A reliable oxygen supply is critical. Life support systems on spacecraft. Remove carbon dioxide from the air. Regulate temperature and humidity. Supply clean, breathable air for extended periods. Astronauts need carefully designed meals and water recycling systems. Food is typically freeze-dried or vacuum-sealed to prevent spoilage. Water is recycled from sweat, urine, and condensation using advanced purification systems. Space is filled with harmful cosmic rays and solar radiation. To survive, stay inside the spacecraft, which is shielding against radiation. Use specialized materials or designated storm shelters in case of solar flares. Microgravity affects the human body. Muscles and bones weaken over time, so astronauts exercise 2 hours daily. Fluids shift in the body, causing temporary swelling or discomfort. Mental preparation is crucial to handle the disorientation of floating. Survival depends on functioning systems. Astronauts must regularly inspect and repair spacecraft systems. Address malfunctions immediately, as they could be life-threatening. Spacecraft are equipped with emergency systems, including escape pods or return capsules for emergencies, redundant systems for oxygen, power, and navigation. A training for rapid responses to depressurization, fires, or equipment failure. Isolation and confinement in space can be psychologically challenging. Astronauts undergo mental health training to handle stress. Regular communication with Earth and recreational activities help maintain morale. Extravehicular activities, spacewalks, require a tether to stay connected to the spacecraft, a backup oxygen supply, and propulsion system for emergencies. Re-entry is one of the most dangerous phases of space travel. The spacecraft must endure extreme heat and pressure during descent. Astronauts must be physically prepared to handle Earth's gravity after extended periods in microgravity. Surviving in space is a delicate balance of technology, preparation, and human resilience. Advances in space exploration continue to improve safety, making it possible to explore the universe while minimizing risks. Whether you're an aspiring astronaut or a space enthusiast, understanding these principles highlights the incredible effort required to venture beyond our planet. Surviving in space requires advanced technology, rigorous training, and a deep understanding of the challenges presented by the cosmos. First and foremost, a spacesuit is essential for protecting against the vacuum of space. It provides oxygen for breathing, maintains pressure to keep bodily fluids stable, and shields against extreme temperatures, harmful radiation, and micrometeoroids. Inside the spacecraft, life support systems ensure a continuous supply of breathable air, remove carbon dioxide, regulate humidity, and keep the temperature stable. Without these systems, survival would be impossible. Food and water are equally critical. Space meals are carefully designed to be compact, nutritious, and long-lasting, often freeze-dried or vacuum-sealed. Water is recycled using advanced purification systems, extracting moisture from sweat, urine, and other condensation. Since carrying large amounts of supplies is impractical, these systems are vital for long-term missions. Radiation poses a significant threat in space, as there is no atmospheric protection like on Earth. Spacecraft are equipped with specialized shielding, and astronauts may need to move to designated safe zones within the craft during solar storms. Overexposure can lead to severe health issues, making radiation protection a priority. Microgravity presents another challenge, as it affects the human body in various ways. Muscles and bones weaken over time, fluids shift within the body, and prolonged exposure can even impact vision. To combat this, astronauts exercise for hours daily, using resistance machines and treadmills to maintain their physical health. The equipment aboard a spacecraft must function flawlessly. Regular maintenance checks and immediate repairs are necessary to prevent malfunctions that could endanger the mission. Astronauts are trained to handle a wide range of technical issues, ensuring they can address problems effectively and quickly. Psychological resilience is equally important. The isolation and confinement of space can be mentally taxing. Astronauts maintain communication with loved ones on Earth, engage in recreational activities, and follow structured routines to stay emotionally balanced. Teamwork and clear communication are essential for maintaining harmony in such a confined and high-stress environment. Spacewalks or extravehicular activities are critical for repairing equipment and conducting experiments outside the spacecraft. Astronauts must tether themselves securely to the spacecraft to avoid floating away and rely on backup oxygen and propulsion systems for emergencies. Re-entry into Earth's atmosphere is one of the most dangerous stages of a mission. The spacecraft must withstand extreme heat and pressure during descent, and astronauts need to be physically prepared to readjust to Earth's gravity after extended periods in microgravity. Proper planning, advanced engineering, and rigorous training make it possible to return safely. The exploration of space is not only a testament to human resilience, but also a collaborative effort involving cutting-edge science, engineering, and teamwork. For future missions, especially those aiming to establish permanent habitats on the Moon or Mars, survival strategies must evolve to address unique challenges associated with these environments. For instance, living on the Moon would require solutions for extreme temperature fluctuations, long lunar nights, and the abrasive nature of lunar dust. Scientists are working on habitat designs that can be buried beneath the Moon's surface to provide natural protection against radiation and micrometeoroids. Similarly, developing systems that harvest and recycle resources, such as water from the lunar soil, is essential for sustainability. On Mars, the thin atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, offers little protection from radiation or temperature extremes. Terraforming Mars, or creating enclosed, pressurized habitats with self-sustaining life support systems, is critical for human survival. Food production will also play a vital role, with research focusing on hydroponics and other innovative methods to grow crops in space or on planetary surfaces. One of the most significant advancements needed for interplanetary survival is the ability to generate and store energy efficiently. Solar power is currently the most viable option, but research into nuclear-powered systems is progressing to ensure a reliable energy supply even in low-light environments. Compact, portable energy solutions will be key for long missions and planetary exploration. Moreover, communication is a lifeline in space, especially for missions venturing far from Earth. While current spacecraft rely on radio signals, which can take minutes or even hours to travel across vast distances, future missions may employ laser-based communication systems for faster and more reliable data transmission. Psychological resilience will remain a critical focus for long-duration missions. As humans spend extended periods in confined environments, far from Earth, mental health support will become increasingly important. Virtual reality technologies are being developed to help astronauts feel connected to Earth, simulate natural environments, and alleviate the effects of isolation. The ultimate goal of these advancements is to create a system where humans can not only survive but also thrive in space. From resource extraction on asteroids to building space stations in orbit around distant planets, the future of space exploration holds endless possibilities. With every mission, we gain more knowledge, refine our technologies, and push the limits of human potential, bringing us closer to becoming a truly interplanetary species. As humanity progresses toward becoming an interplanetary species, collaboration between nations, private companies, and scientific institutions is essential. The International Space Station, ISS, has already demonstrated the power of global cooperation, serving as a testbed for technologies and strategies that will one day enable long-term survival beyond Earth. Future projects such as NASA's Artemis program, SpaceX's Mars colonization plans, and joint ventures like the Lunar Gateway highlight the growing ambition to expand human presence in space. One key focus for future missions is developing closed-loop life support systems. These systems aim to recycle air, water, and waste with minimal external input, ensuring sustainability during long journeys or extended stays on other planets. Advanced bioregenerative systems, which use plants and microorganisms to process waste and generate food and oxygen, are being actively researched as a way to create self-sustaining habitats. Another critical area is transportation. Current spacecraft rely on chemical propulsion, which limits speed and payload capacity. However, new technologies like nuclear thermal propulsion and ion engines promise to drastically reduce travel time between planets, making interplanetary travel more feasible and efficient. These advancements will be crucial for missions to Mars, where minimizing exposure to space radiation and microgravity is essential for crew health. Radiation remains one of the most significant challenges for space survival. Engineers are exploring innovative shielding materials, such as hydrogen-rich compounds and magnetic fields, to protect astronauts from cosmic rays and solar flares. Some proposals even suggest using water or waste as a protective barrier within spacecraft walls, optimizing existing resources for dual purposes. On the psychological front, preparing astronauts for the isolation and confinement of deep space missions is becoming increasingly sophisticated. Virtual reality environments, social connection technologies, and even AI companions are being developed to combat loneliness and maintain morale. Structured routines, meaningful work, and opportunities for recreation will be integral to maintaining mental health on multi-year missions. In addition to exploration, space survival will depend on the ability to harness extraterrestrial resources. Technologies for in situ resource utilization, ISRU, such as extracting water from lunar ice or producing fuel from Martian atmospheric CO2, are key to reducing dependency on Earth resupply missions. These capabilities not only support survival, but also pave the way for large-scale colonization efforts. Looking further into the future, the concept of artificial gravity through rotating habitats or tethered spacecraft is gaining attention. Creating environments with Earth-like gravity could mitigate the long-term health effects of microgravity, making life in space more sustainable for extended periods. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, the vision of humanity thriving among the stars becomes ever clearer. Each technological breakthrough and mission success brings us closer to a future where humans can explore, settle, and perhaps even thrive in the farthest reaches of the cosmos. Space survival is not just about overcoming challenges. It is about unlocking the infinite potential of the universe and securing a future for generations to come. The dream of interplanetary survival is as much about innovation as it is about redefining human adaptability. Future missions will likely integrate artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics more extensively, enabling us to perform complex tasks in hazardous environments. AI systems can autonomously navigate spacecraft, monitor life support systems, and make critical decisions during emergencies. On planetary surfaces, robotic assistants will help build habitats, extract resources, and maintain equipment, reducing risks to human explorers. In parallel, advancements in biotechnology may revolutionize how humans adapt to the harsh conditions of space. Genetic engineering, for example, could enhance human resistance to radiation, improve bone density, or optimize metabolism for limited resources. While these ideas may seem futuristic, research in these areas is progressing rapidly, offering potential solutions for the long-term health challenges of space travel. Expanding our presence in space will also require large-scale construction capabilities beyond Earth. 3D printing technology is already being tested to create tools and spare parts in orbit, and future applications may include constructing habitats and infrastructure directly on the Moon or Mars. Using locally sourced materials such as lunar regolith or Martian soil for construction will reduce dependency on Earth and enable more sustainable colonization. The concept of space agriculture is another critical component of survival. Growing food in space not only reduces resupply needs, but also provides fresh nutrients and psychological comfort to crews. Experiments aboard the International Space Station have successfully grown plants like lettuce, radishes, and wheat. Future systems will expand these capabilities, creating closed-loop agricultural ecosystems that support diverse diets. Exploration of nearby asteroids could also play a pivotal role in survival. These celestial bodies are rich in resources such as water, metals, and minerals. Mining these materials could provide essential supplies for building spacecraft, habitats, and fuel depots, turning asteroids into stepping stones for deeper exploration into the solar system. Meanwhile, the search for exoplanets continues to inspire possibilities of finding habitable worlds beyond our solar system. Missions like the James Webb Space Telescope are revealing unprecedented details about distant planets, including atmospheres that may support life. While reaching these worlds remains a distant goal, the knowledge gained expands our understanding of the universe and prepares us for the challenges of interstellar travel. Ultimately, space survival is not only a technical endeavor, but also a cultural and philosophical one. It challenges humanity to rethink its place in the universe, fostering a sense of unity and purpose. As we venture into the cosmos, we carry with us the hopes and dreams of our planet, forging a path toward a future where Earth is just one of many homes for humankind. The journey will be long and arduous, but the rewards, advancing science, securing the survival of our species, and exploring the unknown, are boundless. As humanity continues to prepare for life beyond Earth, the challenges of space survival highlight the need for global cooperation and the pooling of resources and expertise. The collaborative spirit seen in ventures like the International Space Station will serve as a blueprint for future endeavors, uniting nations, private companies, and academic institutions to achieve shared goals in space exploration. One of the most exciting prospects for future missions is the development of space habitats capable of supporting human life indefinitely. Concepts such as O'Neill cylinders, rotating space stations with artificial gravity, and self-sufficient lunar or Martian bases are no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. These habitats would provide the infrastructure needed for permanent human settlement, including systems for air, water, and food production, as well as community spaces to support mental well-being. In addition to technological advancements, ethical considerations will play a crucial role in shaping humanity's expansion into space. Questions about the preservation of extraterrestrial ecosystems, the equitable sharing of space resources, and the implications of altering other worlds must be addressed. Ensuring that space exploration benefits all of humanity, rather than a select few, will require thoughtful governance and international agreements. Education and public engagement are also key to sustaining the momentum of space exploration. As more people gain access to the knowledge and inspiration behind these missions, the collective vision for a future in space becomes stronger. Programs that involve citizen scientists, virtual reality experiences of space missions, and open-source collaborations on space technologies can democratize access to this new frontier. Back on Earth, the technologies and innovations developed for space survival have a profound impact on our daily lives. From advances in renewable energy and water recycling to breakthroughs in medical technology, the lessons learned in space often lead to solutions for global challenges. The drive to survive and thrive in space pushes the boundaries of human ingenuity, resulting in technologies that improve life on Earth while preparing us for the next great leap. Looking ahead, the long-term vision of becoming a multi-planetary species is not just about survival. It's about growth, exploration, and the human spirit of curiosity. Each step we take into the cosmos, from building sustainable habitats to exploring the farthest reaches of the galaxy, brings us closer to ensuring the longevity of our species and the discovery of our place in the universe. The road ahead is challenging, but the possibilities are limitless as humanity begins to embrace its destiny as explorers of the stars. As humanity progresses further into the cosmos, our ability to adapt and innovate will be tested like never before. The expansion into space is not merely a scientific or technological challenge, but a profound evolutionary leap for our species. Each breakthrough we achieve not only brings us closer to interplanetary survival, but also reshapes how we perceive ourselves and our place in the universe. The next phase of space exploration will likely focus on multi-mission strategies, where missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond are interconnected. For example, lunar missions may serve as a testing ground for technologies that will later be deployed on Mars. The Moon's proximity to Earth makes it an ideal location for refining life support systems, building semi-permanent habitats, and learning how to extract and utilize local resources like water ice for fuel and drinking water. These lessons will be critical for the harsher and more distant environment of Mars. Meanwhile, Mars missions will push the limits of human endurance and ingenuity. Establishing a self-sustaining colony on Mars involves overcoming significant challenges, including radiation exposure, extreme cold, and the psychological effects of prolonged isolation. However, the benefits of such a colony are immense. Mars could act as a second cradle for humanity, ensuring the survival of our species in the event of catastrophic events on Earth. Additionally, the scientific discoveries on Mars, whether related to its geology, climate history, or the potential for past life, could redefine our understanding of the universe. In parallel, the study of exoplanets continues to inspire long-term dreams of interstellar travel. The identification of Earth-like worlds and habitable zones around distant stars fuels the imagination of what lies beyond our solar system. Though the technology for interstellar travel is far from being realized, concepts like generation ships, warp drives, or even the harnessing of wormholes are being explored in theoretical physics and engineering. These ideas may one day become the foundation for humanity's leap to other star systems. As we move toward this future, the role of artificial intelligence and automation will become increasingly vital. AI systems will manage spacecraft operations, analyze vast amounts of scientific data, and even assist in decision-making during emergencies. Robotic explorers will continue to precede human missions, scouting potential landing sites, constructing habitats, and performing tasks that would be too dangerous for humans. Another frontier lies in biotechnology and the possibility of augmenting human biology for space environments. Genetic adaptations to improve radiation resistance, enhance physical performance, or even allow humans to utilize resources in alien environments are being explored. While controversial, these advancements could make long-term space colonization more feasible. Ultimately, space exploration is not just a quest for survival, but an expression of humanity's boundless curiosity and desire to explore the unknown. The challenges are immense, but so are the rewards. By venturing into space, we ensure our species' resilience, unlock new scientific discoveries, and inspire future generations to reach for the stars. In the vast expanse of the universe, the journey of humanity has just begun. The stars await, and with them, the answers to questions we have yet to even imagine. As humanity continues its journey into the cosmos, the pursuit of space exploration will likely lead to profound transformations in our technology, society, and understanding of existence. Each step forward, whether it's establishing a permanent presence on Mars or venturing beyond our solar system, will redefine what it means to be human. One of the most promising developments in the coming decades will be the advancement of energy systems capable of sustaining long-term missions. Fusion energy, for instance, has the potential to revolutionize space travel by providing virtually limitless power. Compact fusion reactors could power spacecraft, habitats, and life support systems, enabling missions that are currently limited by energy constraints. Similarly, solar energy systems will continue to evolve, with high-efficiency panels and energy storage systems providing reliable power for missions on planets with ample sunlight. The rise of megastructures such as orbital stations, space elevators, and massive solar farms could mark the next phase of our space infrastructure. Space elevators, if realized, would drastically reduce the cost of sending materials into orbit, making space more accessible than ever before. Orbital habitats, built to house large populations, could serve as way stations for missions deeper into space, while solar farms in orbit could beam energy back to Earth, helping solve energy challenges on our home planet. Space exploration will also drive significant advances in materials science. Developing lightweight, radiation-resistant materials will be crucial for building spacecraft and habitats capable of withstanding the harsh conditions of space. Innovations in nanotechnology and self-healing materials may lead to spacecraft and habitats that can repair themselves after sustaining damage from micrometeoroids or radiation exposure. The future of humanity in space will also depend on fostering a culture of global collaboration. As missions become more ambitious and resource-intensive, no single nation or organization will be able to shoulder the burden alone. International partnerships will be essential, not only for pooling resources and expertise, but also for establishing governance frameworks that ensure space remains a shared domain, free from conflict and exploitation. Ethical considerations will become increasingly important as we expand our presence in space. The potential discovery of extraterrestrial life, for instance, raises profound questions about how we interact with other forms of life, if they exist. Similarly, the exploitation of space resources must be managed responsibly to prevent ecological harm or inequality in access to these resources. As humanity spreads beyond Earth, we will likely see a diversification of cultures and societies, shaped by the unique challenges and environments of different planets or habitats. These new communities may develop their own traditions, languages, and ways of life, reflecting the adaptability and creativity of human beings. The stories of these pioneers will inspire generations on Earth and beyond, fostering a sense of unity and purpose as we continue to explore the cosmos. In the end, the drive to explore space is not merely a quest for survival or scientific knowledge. It is a fundamental expression of human curiosity and our desire to transcend boundaries. By venturing into the stars, we affirm our belief in the infinite possibilities of existence and our determination to thrive in the face of the unknown. As we look to the future, one thing is certain. Humanity's journey into the cosmos is only beginning, and the discoveries and opportunities that await us are limited only by our imagination and will to explore. As humanity pushes further into the cosmos, we are not only venturing into the unknown, but also shaping the legacy we will leave for future generations. The challenges and triumphs of space exploration will redefine our understanding of who we are and what we are capable of achieving. One of the most transformative aspects of space exploration is the possibility of encountering extraterrestrial life. While such a discovery would revolutionize science, it would also profoundly impact philosophy, religion, and culture. It would challenge humanity to consider its place in a universe teeming with life, or, conversely, underscore the unique significance of life on Earth if we find ourselves truly alone. To support our continued expansion into space, new economic models will emerge. The commercialization of space is already underway, with private companies leading innovations in satellite technology, space tourism, and asteroid mining. These ventures promise to make space exploration more sustainable by reducing costs and increasing access. Asteroid mining, for example, could provide abundant resources, such as rare metals and water, which are critical for building infrastructure both on Earth and in space. The psychological and social dynamics of living in space will also evolve. As space habitats become larger and more permanent, they will need to accommodate not just survival, but also human flourishing. Education, art, and entertainment will play vital roles in maintaining mental well-being and fostering a sense of purpose. Virtual reality and other immersive technologies will help create environments that feel familiar and comforting, even in the vast emptiness of space. Intergenerational missions, where multiple generations live and work aboard a spacecraft en route to distant destinations, may become a reality. These missions will require entirely new frameworks for governance, education, and cultural preservation. The communities formed during these journeys will represent a microcosm of humanity, carrying forward our values and aspirations while adapting to life among the stars. As we develop the capability to travel to other star systems, the dream of reaching exoplanets with habitable conditions will grow closer to reality. These missions, however, will demand technologies that seem almost unimaginable today, such as propulsion systems capable of traveling at a significant fraction of the speed of light or suspended animation techniques to allow humans to survive the long journey. The prospect of colonizing exoplanets raises profound questions about the ethics of altering alien ecosystems and the responsibilities we bear as stewards of life beyond Earth. At the same time, humanity's relationship with Earth will evolve. Space exploration offers a unique perspective on our planet, emphasizing its fragility and interconnectedness. The overview effect experienced by astronauts, seeing Earth as a small, precious world in the vastness of space, has already inspired movements to protect the environment and promote global unity. As more people venture into space, this perspective will become increasingly influential, shaping how we approach challenges such as climate change and resource management. Ultimately, the journey into space is not just about survival or exploration. It is about transformation. Each step forward brings new opportunities to innovate, collaborate, and grow. It is a testament to human ingenuity and determination, a bold declaration that we are not content to remain confined to one world. The stars beckon us with infinite possibilities, and our pursuit of them will define the next chapter of human history. By embracing the challenges of space exploration, we are not only securing the survival of our species, but also unlocking the full potential of what it means to be human. The future of humanity lies not just on Earth, but in the boundless expanse of the universe, where our story will continue to unfold. As humanity continues its journey into the universe, our exploration will shape not only the technological and scientific advancements of our species, but also our collective identity and aspirations. The steps we take today will lay the foundation for a future where humanity thrives beyond the confines of Earth, embracing the opportunities and challenges of a multiplanetary existence. In the decades to come, technological innovation will accelerate the pace of space exploration. Advanced propulsion systems, such as nuclear fusion drives or even concepts like antimatter engines, will enable us to reach distant destinations faster and more efficiently. These breakthroughs will make interplanetary travel more accessible, not just for astronauts, but potentially for everyday citizens, paving the way for a spacefaring civilization. Space habitats will evolve from temporary outposts to self-sufficient ecosystems. These habitats will not only sustain human life, but also mimic Earth-like conditions, including simulated gravity, controlled atmospheres, and regenerative agricultural systems. These advancements will allow for the establishment of thriving communities on the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Such colonies will become centers of research, innovation, and cultural exchange, fostering a new chapter in human history. The exploration of the outer planets and their moons will open up entirely new frontiers. Moons such as Europa, with its vast subsurface ocean, and Titan, with its thick atmosphere and organic compounds, are prime candidates for the search for extraterrestrial life. Missions to these distant worlds will challenge our engineering capabilities, but could yield discoveries that redefine biology and expand our understanding of life's potential diversity. As we venture deeper into space, interstellar travel will transition from theoretical to practical. Technologies like solar sails, which harness the power of sunlight or laser beams for propulsion, and generation ships, capable of sustaining human populations for centuries, may allow us to explore nearby star systems. The discovery of exoplanets within the habitable zones of their stars makes these endeavors not just possible, but compelling. These planets could become the targets of humanity's most ambitious missions, offering the possibility of establishing footholds in other star systems. While the technical challenges of interstellar travel are immense, the cultural and philosophical implications are equally profound. Reaching another star system would mark a milestone in human evolution, demonstrating that we are not limited by the constraints of a single planet or even a single solar system. Such achievements would require unprecedented levels of international cooperation, uniting humanity under a shared vision of exploration and discovery. Back on Earth, the advancements driven by space exploration will continue to transform life for those who remain. Technologies developed for space, such as renewable energy systems, advanced medical treatments, and sustainable resource management, will address pressing global challenges. Space exploration will also inspire generations to come, encouraging young minds to pursue careers in science, technology, and engineering, fueling innovation in every field. Looking further into the future, humanity's relationship with the universe will likely evolve into one of stewardship and coexistence. As we colonize new worlds, we will bear the responsibility of preserving their natural environments and respecting any life forms that may exist there. The ethical principles we establish now will guide how we interact with the cosmos and ensure that our exploration is conducted responsibly and inclusively. The journey into the stars is ultimately a journey of self-discovery. By reaching beyond the limits of what we know, we uncover not only the mysteries of the universe, but also the boundless potential of humanity itself. The cosmos, vast and uncharted, is a canvas on which we will write the next chapters of our story. A story of resilience, curiosity, and the unyielding desire to explore. As we gaze at the stars, we are reminded that our destiny lies not in the limits of what is, but in the infinite possibilities of what could be. The universe awaits, and with it, the promise of a future defined by exploration, unity, and the enduring quest for knowledge. The universe, vast and incomprehensible, offers an infinite stage for humanity's greatest adventure, a journey not just to survive, but to thrive among the stars. Each step we take into this boundless expanse reflects our collective resilience, curiosity, and ingenuity. As we expand outward, we will reshape our understanding of life, forge new technologies, and redefine what it means to be human. The next chapter in humanity's story may begin with the establishment of permanent settlements on the Moon and Mars, but the ultimate vision reaches far beyond. These early colonies will serve as test beds for advanced life support systems, new forms of governance, and sustainable living practices. The harsh conditions of these environments will force us to innovate in ways that can benefit both our extraterrestrial and terrestrial homes. The success of these ventures will prove that humanity can adapt to challenges far beyond our evolutionary origins. As interplanetary travel becomes routine, humanity will turn its gaze toward the outer reaches of the solar system. Saturn's moon Titan, with its thick atmosphere and methane lakes, offers opportunities to explore alien environments unlike anything on Earth. Meanwhile, Europa, with its subsurface ocean, is a tantalizing candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. Missions to these distant worlds will not only expand our scientific knowledge, but also raise profound questions about the universality of life and the unique nature of Earth's biosphere. Beyond the solar system, the discovery of thousands of exoplanets has already ignited dreams of interstellar exploration. Technologies such as laser-powered light sails or fusion propulsion could enable probes, and eventually crewed missions, to traverse the vast distances between stars. The first interstellar travelers may find themselves exploring planets that orbit suns light years away, searching for signs of life or even future homes for humanity. In this era of exploration, humanity will be faced with ethical questions that challenge our perspectives and priorities. How do we balance our desire to explore with the responsibility to preserve and respect other worlds? How do we ensure that the benefits of space exploration are shared equitably across all nations and peoples? These questions will define the culture and policies of our spacefaring civilization, guiding us as we expand our presence in the cosmos. As our reach extends, so too will our perspective evolve. The overview effect experienced by astronauts, seeing Earth as a fragile, interconnected whole, will deepen as we witness our planet from greater distances. This perspective will foster a renewed sense of unity and responsibility, encouraging humanity to work together to protect our home while reaching for the stars. The technology, culture, and philosophy of a spacefaring humanity will undoubtedly diverge from what we know today. Communities established on Mars, the Moon, or distant space stations may develop unique traditions, languages, and ways of life, influenced by their environments and the challenges they face. These differences will not divide us, but enrich the human experience, creating a tapestry of cultures united by a shared origin and an enduring sense of exploration. As the universe becomes more accessible, it will inspire art, literature, and storytelling on a scale never before imagined. The vastness of space will provide a new frontier for creativity, allowing humanity to express its awe and wonder in ways that resonate across generations. The stories of pioneers, scientists, and explorers will inspire those on Earth and beyond, forging a narrative of resilience, discovery, and hope. In the grand scale of the cosmos, humanity's journey is just beginning. The stars beckon, not as distant, unattainable points of light, but as destinations waiting to be explored. With each new challenge overcome, each new world reached, and each new discovery made, we bring ourselves closer to fulfilling our potential as a species. The future of humanity is not limited by the boundaries of Earth or even the solar system. It is boundless, as infinite as the universe itself. In the vastness of space, we will find not only survival but purpose, forging a legacy that will echo across the stars for millennia to come. As humanity ventures further into the cosmos, the challenges we face will evolve, but so will the opportunities for growth, innovation, and unity. Our journey into space is more than a physical exploration. It is a profound statement about our capacity to imagine, create, and adapt. In the endless expanse of the universe, we are not only seeking new homes or resources, but also answers to questions that have driven us for millennia. Who are we? Why are we here? Are we alone? The future of space exploration will likely see the integration of artificial intelligence and robotics at an unprecedented scale. Autonomous systems will explore regions too hazardous or distant for humans, paving the way for later crewed missions. AI-driven spacecraft could analyze data, make decisions, and adapt to unforeseen challenges in real time, acting as extensions of human ingenuity. These tools will not replace human explorers, but will work alongside them, amplifying our ability to understand and interact with the universe. Simultaneously, advancements in bioengineering may redefine what it means to be human. As we adapt to life in space, scientists may develop ways to enhance our resistance to radiation, optimize our metabolism for limited resources, or even alter our biology to thrive in low-gravity environments. These innovations, while controversial, could open doors to survival in conditions that would otherwise be impossible, ensuring that humanity remains resilient as we push into the unknown. One of the most significant milestones will be the creation of interstellar probes capable of exploring nearby star systems. These missions, such as those proposed by the Breakthrough Starshot Initiative, aim to send lightweight, high-speed probes to planets orbiting other stars. While these probes may take decades or even centuries to arrive, the data they return could provide humanity with its first glimpse of truly alien worlds. Eventually, the dream of crewed interstellar missions may become a reality. Generation ships, self-sustaining spacecraft designed to house multiple generations of humans, could embark on journeys lasting centuries, carrying humanity's hopes and dreams across the stars. These missions would not only test our technological capabilities, but also challenge our social structures, requiring new forms of governance, education, and cultural preservation to sustain life across generations. As we explore deeper into the cosmos, our understanding of time and distance will also evolve. The vastness of the universe, where light itself can take millions of years to traverse from one galaxy to another, will reshape our perceptions of existence. The knowledge that humanity is just one small part of a grand, interconnected cosmos will inspire humility and a renewed commitment to stewardship of Earth, of other worlds, and of the universe itself. The discoveries we make will also redefine our sense of purpose. Finding evidence of life beyond Earth, whether microbial or intelligent, would be one of the most profound events in human history. It would challenge our understanding of biology, evolution, and the uniqueness of our planet, raising questions about how we relate to other forms of life and what responsibilities we have as explorers. Yet, even as we expand outward, we will never forget our origins. Earth, the cradle of humanity, will remain a cherished home, a reminder of where our journey began. The lessons learned from surviving in space, from recycling resources to living sustainably, will help us address the challenges we face on Earth, ensuring a future where both our home planet and our species can thrive. In the end, our journey into the cosmos is not just about survival or discovery. It is about transcending boundaries, exploring the limits of what is possible, and fulfilling the innate human drive to seek out the unknown. As we gaze up at the stars, we are reminded that our story is only beginning. The universe is vast, but so is our potential. Together, as one species united by curiosity and courage, we will continue to write the next chapters of humanity's story, among the stars, across the galaxies, and beyond. As humanity pushes deeper into the cosmic frontier, we will likely face challenges that test not only our technological capabilities, but also our moral and philosophical frameworks. The act of exploring and settling new worlds will force us to confront fundamental questions about how we define life, what we value, and what responsibilities we bear as stewards of the universe. One of the most profound milestones in space exploration will be the discovery of extraterrestrial life, if it exists. Whether it is microbial life hidden beneath the icy crust of Europa, ancient fossils on Mars, or intelligent civilizations in distant star systems, such a discovery would forever alter our understanding of our place in the universe. It would expand the boundaries of biology and spark new fields of science dedicated to studying these alien forms of life. Beyond science, it would challenge humanity's philosophical, religious, and cultural perspectives, encouraging us to reconsider our role as one species among potentially countless others in the cosmos. As we venture beyond our solar system, our ability to communicate and connect across vast distances will become increasingly important. Interstellar travel may necessitate the development of technologies that allow for faster-than-light communication or innovative ways to store and transmit knowledge over generations. In a universe where the nearest stars are light years away, preserving the collective memory of humanity and maintaining continuity between Earth and distant colonies will be critical. Colonization of exoplanets, while a distant goal, will also raise ethical dilemmas. For example, should we terraform a planet to make it habitable if it means destroying any native ecosystems? How do we balance our survival needs with our moral obligation to protect the natural state of other worlds? These questions will require a framework of cosmic ethics, one that respects the intrinsic value of all forms of existence, even those vastly different from our own. Technological advancements will continue to play a key role in overcoming the physical challenges of space exploration. From harnessing quantum mechanics for propulsion to creating artificial gravity systems, each innovation will bring us closer to making deep space travel more feasible and sustainable. The integration of advanced AI, capable of managing complex systems and making autonomous decisions, will further enhance our ability to explore and survive in the most hostile environments. At the same time, humanity's cultural and artistic expressions will flourish in space. As we encounter new worlds and challenges, our creativity will help us process and interpret these experiences. Art, music, literature, and storytelling will capture the awe and wonder of our journey, connecting those who remain on Earth with the explorers who venture beyond. These creative endeavors will not only inspire, but also serve as a reminder of the shared humanity that binds us, no matter how far we travel. In this future, humanity's identity will transform. We will no longer define ourselves solely by our nations, cultures, or even our planet. Instead, we will become a species of the cosmos, united by our shared origins and our collective aspirations. This shift in perspective will encourage greater cooperation, empathy, and understanding among the diverse populations of Earth and beyond. As we look toward the stars, it is clear that our journey is just beginning. The challenges ahead are immense, but so are the rewards. Each step we take brings us closer to unlocking the secrets of the universe and ensuring the survival and prosperity of humanity for generations to come. The cosmos offers infinite possibilities, and with courage, ingenuity, and unity, we will rise to meet them. As we continue this journey, we will not only shape the future of our species, but also leave a legacy that will echo throughout the universe for eternity. The stars await, and so does our destiny among them. As humanity's journey through the cosmos unfolds, we will inevitably reach milestones that redefine what it means to exist, thrive, and innovate on an interstellar scale. These milestones will not only highlight our ingenuity, but also underscore our adaptability and determination to overcome the greatest challenges ever faced by our species. One of the most profound advancements will be the creation of truly autonomous, self-sustaining ecosystems, environments capable of supporting life indefinitely without reliance on Earth. These ecosystems will combine biology, engineering, and artificial intelligence to create closed-loop systems where waste becomes a resource, water is perpetually recycled, and food is grown efficiently even in extreme conditions. These innovations will lay the groundwork for sustainable living, whether in space habitats, on the Moon, or on the surface of Mars. Simultaneously, the expansion of humanity into space will require reimagining education and knowledge sharing. With colonies potentially spread across multiple planets and moons, the way we transmit information will evolve. Virtual reality, immersive simulations, and AI-assisted learning will become the norm, enabling individuals across vast distances to share expertise, solve problems collaboratively, and even experience Earth's culture and history in vivid detail. This interconnectedness will ensure that humanity's collective knowledge continues to grow, even as we settle new worlds. Cultural evolution will be another inevitable aspect of space exploration. Communities established on the Moon, Mars, or beyond will develop unique traditions, celebrations, and ways of life influenced by their environments. For instance, a Martian colony might celebrate Sol days to mark their longer days compared to Earth's, while lunar settlements may create art inspired by the stark beauty of the Moon's surface. These emerging cultures will enrich humanity as a whole, creating a tapestry of experiences and perspectives shaped by our journey among the stars. On a larger scale, humanity's relationship with the universe itself will transform. As we uncover the mysteries of dark matter, dark energy, and the origins of the cosmos, our understanding of existence will deepen. These discoveries will fuel philosophical and scientific debates about the nature of reality, the purpose of life, and the potential existence of other intelligent civilizations. The search for meaning will extend beyond the confines of Earth, inspiring new schools of thought that embrace our place within a vast, interconnected cosmos. The discovery of intelligent extraterrestrial life, should it occur, would be a turning point unlike any other. It would challenge our definitions of intelligence, culture, and morality. How we choose to interact with such civilizations, whether with diplomacy, caution, or cooperation, will define humanity's ethical framework for generations. The potential to learn from alien technologies, philosophies, and histories could accelerate our own advancement, bridging gaps in knowledge and sparking a new era of exploration. At the heart of these developments lies the spirit of human curiosity. It is this drive to understand, explore, and innovate that has propelled us from the caves of our ancestors to the edges of our solar system. In the coming centuries, this same spirit will guide us as we build interplanetary civilizations, venture beyond our galaxy, and uncover truths about the universe that are currently beyond our imagination. As we gaze into the night sky, we are reminded that the stars are not just destinations, but symbols of our boundless potential. They represent the infinite possibilities that await us when we embrace the unknown with courage and determination. Humanity's story is no longer confined to the surface of one small planet. It is a story that spans worlds, galaxies, and perhaps one day, the universe itself. With each new discovery, each challenge overcome, and each step forward, we move closer to fulfilling that destiny. The cosmos awaits, vast and infinite, and it is there that humanity will find its greatest purpose: to explore, to learn, and to thrive as a truly interstellar species. As humanity ventures deeper into the cosmos, our future will be defined by how we adapt to an entirely new way of living and thinking. The challenges of space will demand not just survival skills, but a complete reimagining of our relationship with technology, nature, and each other. The boundless frontier offers infinite opportunities for growth, but it also presents ethical and existential dilemmas that will shape the trajectory of our species. One of the key challenges will be fostering a sense of identity and belonging in environments far removed from Earth. Colonists on Mars, for example, will face isolation not just from their home planet, but also from its culture, history, and natural beauty. To combat this, efforts will be made to recreate familiar aspects of life on Earth. Through virtual reality, artificial environments, or even Earth-inspired architecture. Over time, these communities will likely develop their own distinct identities, blending traditions from Earth with innovations inspired by their unique surroundings. Simultaneously, humanity's relationship with Earth will evolve. As we expand into the cosmos, we will begin to see our home planet from a new perspective, not just as the cradle of our civilization, but as a shared treasure that must be preserved for future generations. The resources and technologies developed for space exploration, such as advanced recycling systems and renewable energy solutions, will play a critical role in addressing environmental challenges on Earth. Space exploration will not only help humanity survive, but also inspire us to take better care of our home. The exploration of distant worlds will also bring humanity face-to-face with profound scientific discoveries. Whether it's uncovering the secrets of how life began, understanding the formation of planets and galaxies, or even finding evidence of life beyond Earth, these milestones will challenge our understanding of the universe. Such discoveries will spark new questions and redefine humanity's place in the cosmic order, offering both scientific insight and philosophical depth. As our reach extends to the stars, we will also confront the question of interstellar communication. If intelligent civilizations exist elsewhere in the galaxy, how will we communicate with them? What messages will we send? And how will we interpret their responses? The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, may eventually lead to contact, requiring humanity to come together as a unified species to represent our collective voice. At the same time, advancements in space travel will open new opportunities for exploration and settlement. Interstellar missions to neighboring star systems, such as Proxima Centauri or Alpha Centauri, could become a reality within centuries. These missions, whether carried out by robotic probes or crewed starships, will expand humanity's knowledge of the cosmos and potentially lead to the establishment of the first human colonies beyond our solar system. Such missions will not only test our engineering and scientific capabilities, but also our ability to govern and cooperate on an unprecedented scale. The logistics of managing interstellar colonies, maintaining communication, and ensuring equitable access to resources will require entirely new forms of governance. Space may become a proving ground for innovative political systems that prioritize collaboration, sustainability, and long-term thinking. Looking even further into the future, humanity's relationship with the universe may transcend exploration. As we harness more advanced technologies, such as those envisioned by the Kardashev scale, measuring a civilization's energy use, we may become capable of manipulating the fundamental forces of the cosmos. Concepts like harvesting energy from stars, constructing megastructures like Dyson spheres, or even altering the fabric of space-time itself could redefine what is possible for our species. In the end, humanity's journey into the cosmos is not just about expanding our physical boundaries. It's about expanding our understanding of what it means to be human. The stars offer more than a destination. They offer a chance to explore the infinite possibilities of existence. By embracing the challenges and opportunities of space exploration, we are not only ensuring the survival of our species, but also creating a future where humanity thrives as a force for creativity, discovery, and unity in a universe filled with wonder. The cosmos awaits, and with it the next chapter of our story. As humanity continues its journey into the vast unknown, each step forward brings us closer to a transformative future, where our species becomes not just a part of Earth, but an integral participant in the fabric of the universe. This expansion will not only define our technological and physical limits, but also reshape our collective identity, purpose, and aspirations. The establishment of permanent settlements on the Moon, Mars, and beyond will mark a pivotal moment in human history. These interplanetary societies will face unique challenges, including resource scarcity, isolation, and environmental hazards, requiring unprecedented levels of ingenuity and collaboration. Early settlers will pioneer new systems of governance, trade, and community building, laying the foundation for a multi-planetary civilization. Over time, these settlements will evolve from isolated outposts into thriving societies, each with its own culture, traditions, and innovations. The gravitational and environmental differences of these worlds will shape the way humans live, work, and interact, potentially leading to distinct adaptations in physiology, behavior, and social structures. These differences will not divide humanity, but will enrich its diversity, creating a network of interconnected civilizations across the solar system. The exploration of the outer solar system will bring humanity closer to unlocking some of the greatest mysteries of the cosmos. Missions to Europa, Enceladus, and Titan, moons believed to harbor subsurface oceans or complex organic chemistry, may reveal clues about the potential for life beyond Earth. Discovering microbial life, or even the conditions for its emergence, would revolutionize our understanding of biology and the uniqueness of Earth. Farther afield, gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, with their intricate systems of moons, rings, and storms, offer a window into the processes that shaped our solar system. Uranus and Neptune, the icy giants, remain some of the least understood planets and hold secrets about the formation of planetary systems across the galaxy. The dream of interstellar travel will become a reality as advancements in propulsion, energy, and spaceflight systems continue. Technologies such as fusion propulsion, antimatter engines, and even warp drives may one day enable humanity to travel to nearby star systems like Alpha Centauri. These missions will open the door to exploring exoplanets, worlds orbiting other stars, and potentially identifying new homes for humanity. Interstellar exploration will also challenge our understanding of time and distance. Generational starships, where entire communities live and thrive during centuries-long journeys, could become a reality. These missions will require sustainable ecosystems, advanced artificial intelligence, and a new approach to governance and cultural preservation, as the passengers aboard these ships will effectively represent entire branches of humanity. As humanity grows into a spacefaring species, we may begin to undertake projects that once seemed purely theoretical. Megastructures like Dyson spheres, designed to harness the energy of entire stars, could provide the power needed for large-scale colonization and exploration. Orbital rings, space elevators, and interplanetary transit systems may make space travel as routine as air travel is today. These advancements will also expand humanity's reach into fields like terraforming, modifying the environments of planets to make them habitable. Transforming Mars, for example, could involve thickening its atmosphere, introducing water cycles, and creating artificial magnetospheres to protect against radiation. While such projects will take centuries, they represent the ultimate fusion of science, engineering, and vision. As we explore and settle new worlds, humanity will need to balance progress with preservation. The ethical implications of altering alien ecosystems, mining asteroids, and interacting with potential extraterrestrial life will require careful deliberation. Humanity's role as cosmic stewards will demand a commitment to safeguarding the natural beauty and diversity of the universe. Ultimately, humanity's venture into the cosmos is about more than survival. It is about legacy. By exploring the stars, we are writing a new chapter in the story of life itself. Our achievements will not only secure the future of our species, but also serve as a testament to the unyielding power of curiosity, creativity, and collaboration. The stars await, and with them, the infinite possibilities of existence. In the vastness of the universe, humanity's journey is just beginning. Our destiny is to explore, to learn, to create, and to thrive, not as inhabitants of a single planet, but as citizens of the cosmos. The future is limitless, and the universe, in all its wonder and mystery, is ours to discover. As humanity continues to reach further into the cosmos, the challenges and opportunities will grow in complexity, shaping the destiny of our species. Our exploration of space will become a profound expression of our adaptability, ingenuity, and resilience, defining the way we perceive ourselves and our place in the universe. One of the greatest challenges in venturing beyond the solar system will be mastering interstellar navigation. The vast distances between stars will require not only propulsion systems capable of unprecedented speeds, but also sophisticated techniques for charting safe courses through the galaxy. Advanced AI systems, coupled with quantum computing, may allow spacecraft to autonomously navigate dynamic environments, avoiding hazards like rogue planets, asteroid fields, and gravitational anomalies. Navigation will also depend on mapping the galaxy with extreme precision. Future missions may deploy fleets of probes to create detailed, three-dimensional maps of nearby star systems, including data on exoplanet atmospheres, resources, and potential hazards. This galactic atlas will serve as the blueprint for humanity's expansion across the stars. As we establish long-term settlements on other planets and moons, humanity itself may begin to evolve in response to new environments. Reduced gravity, for instance, may lead to changes in bone density, muscle mass, and even body proportions. Over generations, these adaptations could result in the emergence of distinct human subpopulations, each uniquely suited to their respective worlds. Advancements in genetic engineering may accelerate this process, allowing humans to adapt proactively to extreme conditions. For example, modifying genes to improve radiation resistance or enhance oxygen efficiency could make survival on Mars or other planets more viable. These innovations, while controversial, will expand the boundaries of what is possible for our species, enabling us to thrive in environments once thought uninhabitable. The expansion of humanity into space will inspire a cultural renaissance. New art forms, music, and literature will emerge, shaped by the awe-inspiring experiences of living among the stars. Stories of exploration, discovery, and survival will become central to human culture, uniting people across planets through shared narratives. Space itself may become a medium for artistic expression. Future artists could use the vastness of space as their canvas, creating works visible from orbit or even constructing sculptures that harness the unique properties of microgravity. These creations will reflect humanity's enduring spirit of creativity, celebrating our connection to the universe. As humanity ventures deeper into space, we will also push the boundaries of our understanding of physics. The mysteries of dark matter, dark energy, and the fundamental forces of the universe may hold the key to unlocking technologies that seem impossible today. Concepts like warp drives, traversable wormholes, or even time travel, while speculative, could one day become tools for exploration. Research into these phenomena will not only expand our knowledge, but also challenge our perception of reality itself. Understanding the nature of time, space, and existence may lead to insights that redefine humanity's purpose and place in the cosmos. The challenges of space exploration will demand unprecedented levels of cooperation. As we confront the logistical, ethical, and existential questions of becoming a multi-planetary species, humanity will need to act as a unified whole. International partnerships, shared resources, and a common vision will be essential for ensuring that space exploration benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. As we gaze upon Earth from the vastness of space, we will be reminded of its fragility and the shared responsibility we have to protect it. The overview effect experienced by astronauts, a profound sense of connection and perspective gained from seeing Earth as a single, fragile entity, will become a universal ethos, guiding how we approach challenges both on Earth and beyond. The universe is boundless, and so too is humanity's potential. Each new discovery, each new frontier, and each new world we reach will push the boundaries of what we believe is possible. The journey into the cosmos is not just about survival or exploration. It is about embracing the infinite horizon of existence and daring to dream beyond it. Humanity's story is only beginning. The stars beckon, offering mysteries to solve, challenges to overcome, and possibilities to create. As we move forward, we will carry with us the essence of what makes us human: our curiosity, our resilience, and our capacity to imagine a better future. The cosmos is our destiny, and in its vast expanse, we will find not only survival but purpose, growth, and a legacy that will endure for millennia to come. The universe awaits, and humanity is ready to take its place among the stars. The journey into the cosmos is more than an exploration of space. It's an exploration of humanity's potential, creativity, and unity. Each step we take brings us closer to understanding the mysteries of the universe and securing a future for generations to come. The stars are not just a destination. They represent infinite possibilities for growth, discovery, and purpose. Together, we can embrace the challenge and make the dream of a spacefaring civilization a reality. If you've enjoyed this journey through the wonders of space and humanity's future among the stars, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating content. Join us as we continue to explore the universe, one discovery at a time. Your support helps us reach for the stars,